Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. The best internet resources about how to build a dog agility slalom. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to build a dog agility slalom is www.youtube.com. Specifically the page titled Agility, Slalom Training, YouTube. This is the link. You can also try en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Dog Agility, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.youtube.com. The web page Herrenführung in an Agility Slalom by Dog Gish. This is the link.